Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and I wanted to make a special video for you. This is not just a regular trade of the week, but it's another recap because we had another excellent week in the trade room. This is a great opportunity to come and become a member. We have a great new pro membership, and I just wanted to give you an idea of why that's such a great idea. We started in the trade room with Home Depot earnings, and that was a very nice winner. Then we had core PPI the same morning, a high volatility report, a very nice winner as well. And then some members traded the API crude oil report, one of the biggest and most profitable API reports we've seen in a very long time, and a small winner on the Australia Wage Price Index report. Then we were back in the room for CPI and retail sales. We traded that small. It was a loser, but that was one of our only losers of the week. There were very few this week. Crude oil inventories was a winning event. The NOPA crush report made all of anyone's money back from CPI if they lost money that morning. Cisco earnings, an excellent trade. Natural gas storage finished out our week on Thursday, and that was a very nice winner in our prop account. Walmart earnings was a small winner, and unemployment building permits and Philly Fed, quite a few people had a very big winning trade on that event. All of these winners just offer a great opportunity for you to join us and become a pro member. But let me show you a few quick trades and then read this email, and we'll have a great offer for you to take advantage of. Home Depot's been one of our favorite earning trades for quite a while. We have a new setup. We're trading it as a breakout rather than a range trade, and our orders showed up. Beautiful explosion to the downside exactly when the earnings were expected, for a profit over $200 for us in the trade room. Most of our members that traded that with us made money as well. Home Depot, an excellent start to the week. The PPI report was a trap trade. We expect a reversal on a trap trade. Let me show you what happens. So we have our orders. When the price goes up, we sell. If the price goes down like it did, we buy the market. And now we're going to make our money when the price goes up. That's exactly what happened. The price reversed. Watch that red line. It's going to go up. There it is going up. It hit one of our targets, and then we trailed a little bit. And when we were done with that trade, we had a $300 profit, a very nice PPI trap trade. And I'll show you two more quick ones, two great ones. API report, it's a range trade. I was not expecting a winning trade on this. We had two in a row when we got into the room. Also, the volume was mixed, meaning that there were two contracts very close to each other, and the volume was half on one contract, half on the other. But nevertheless, the news came out, and you're going to see a very big, fast move. There's our range. The news comes out. The market knows the news, even though this is a private report for 5 minutes. Watch, the price pops to the upside, hits our first target. You had plenty of opportunity to move your stop to safety. And then price just kept going and going and going. We have a second trade after the news that a whole bunch of members put that trade on. Really good API report. A very nice winner for almost everyone that traded it in the trade room. And then finally, the NOPA crush report. So the NOPA crush report wound up being a great event. Now, this was an interesting trade because the price moved early. It looked like the news was early, but I still told everyone to put their orders on, get ready. I felt that the price would still continue up. That's exactly what happened. Watch. Our orders are on the chart. We get filled to the long side. Even though there was an early move, we still had plenty of profit to grab. And as I said, the NOPA crush made everybody that had a difficult CPI trade in the morning, it gave them a profitable day. And the NOPA crush was a beautiful winning trade. It's going to go all the way up to test the high of the day before the trade was over. There goes the price. The breakout trade made us over $300. And then as the morning went on, just a few minutes more in the trade room, and the price went to test the high of the day. So listen, everyone, thanks for watching. And you want to know why I bother making these videos for you? Because I believe that this is a fantastic opportunity to become a Tro member so we can teach you. I want to teach you how to do this type of trading. Earnings trades with futures, news trades, breakout trades, reversal trades, all sorts of events that we want to show you how to do it. So come on into the trade room, become a Pro member, check out the email and this great offer, and I'd love to see you all next week. It's always a great week at 10-minute trades. I'll see you soon. Leigh Goldstein signing out. Check it out. I'll see you all soon in the trade room. Take care, everyone.